The need of cell division. The fundamental reason cells engage in the division process is to generate new cells. The creation of these new cells serves several pivotal roles. 1. Growth. Every plant and animal originates from a singular cell, the zygote. This zygote undergoes rapid successive divisions, resulting in a collection of varied cells. These cells, differing in form, coalesce to create tissues and organs, each fulfilling distinct roles. Consequently, cell division is the cornerstone of growth. 2. Cell renewal. To emphasize the necessity of cell replacement, consider this: every minute, our body loses approximately 20 million red blood cells. Cell division within the bone marrow ensures a fresh supply of these cells. In the realm of plants, as old leaves wither and detach, new ones emerge because of cell division. 3. Repair. Injuries, whether they manifest as skin abrasions or bone fractures, necessitate the body's innate healing mechanism. Cells divide to bridge these injuries, sealing cuts or mending fractured bones. 4. Reproduction. At its core, cell division is integral to reproduction. For unicellular entities like amoeba and bacteria, division results in two analogous, autonomous cells through a process called mitosis. Contrastingly, in more complex beings such as humans or the banyan tree, specific cells in reproductive structures undergo a different type of division, termed meiosis. This process yields sex cells or gametes, the sperms in males and eggs in females. Notably, these gametes inherit only half the chromosomal count from their parent cells, ensuring they receive a singular chromosome from each set.